Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to crop pictures in Photos app on iPhone. So first, open up your Photos app and pick a picture that you want to edit. Once you're there, just click on the edit option at the top right, and this will pop up. And here at the bottom at the right side, just click on or tap on the crop option. Then this will pop up on the screen. You could either rotate it like this or stretch it vertically if you pick this second option, or you could do it horizontally. And if you click this icon here on top, you can make it like a square shape or a wallpaper shape if you want. If you want to reset the changes, just click on the reset option at the very top. And when you're done, just go click on done right here. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.